Welcome to Krikawa Jewelry. I'm Lisa Krikawa, and I just want to welcome you to our showroom and shop. In case you've never been here, you'll have a chance to see our studio, so come on in. So in our showroom, we have a lot of Krikawa samples, obviously, our mochame prototypes of different popular rings, and we also carry some local jewelry artists and a few other artists for our clients' pleasure. So you can see we carry William Henry knives. William Henry knives have beautiful mochame and Damascus, which really go well with our mochame. We have some of our most popular samples, as well as some of the other artists. I'd like to introduce you to Bonnie, who is our showroom ambassador. Hi! And Bonnie, can you just pick out an artist or two that are your favorites?
Yeah, absolutely. Mariela Pilato. She's a fabulous designer out of Italy and now Bali, Indonesia, whose work is inspired by her history of architecture and her love of all things Greek history.
Oh, that's cool.
So yeah, she's lovely. And then the other is our local designer, Sean Hill, and he makes gorgeous, colorful resin jewelry. And it's very modern yet classical at the same time, and they're such great gifts.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
All right, so we're going to carry on through the rest of the shop. Come on down. We have two of our fabulous design consultants here. We have Brianna.
Hi.
And Chelsea.
Hi.
Both of those lovely ladies will work with you on your custom rings. Stephanie's out today. Don't look at my desk, it's a mess. There, look there. Moving on, we're going into the workshop.
Room on the concrete.
There's Eric and Cindy working on something. Talking about
every
buzz.
surface in this
Our two awesome 3D printers are here. We've got an older one and a newer version. Nothing's printing right at the second. And then you can see our lovely shop. There's Margaret. You might talk to her if you get a ring and custom ring. There's Jill and all of our amazing benches. There's Todd. Todd, say hi. Wait. You're famous again. He's our local actor. He's mostly famous. In here is Pat, who does our CAD modeling. And, oh, he is working on something interesting. He's working on a contour band for an engagement ring. He's lost in thought. We're going to leave him be. Here's our thank you wall with all of our wonderful, with a fraction of our wonderful thank yous that we get, and beautiful Google reviews. Coming back, we continue on. There's another one of our wonderful jewelers having lunch. We've got administration and shipping in there. Down there's the dungeon. We'll leave that for right now. And in here is John Krikawa.
Hi.
The other famous Krikawa.
I am famous.
And in here is Michelle, who is behind the camera. You want me to take a picture of you?
No.
So, where she does her photography and videography. So, that was it, our quick walkthrough at Krikawa Jewelry Design. So we really hope to see you here, and if you're fortunate to live here, fortunate enough to live in the area. Otherwise, for all of our long-distance clients, which make up over 90% of our business, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon. And Happy Mother's Day is coming soon.